Have you ever wondered why we cry when we feel pain? It's a question that has intrigued scientists, psychologists, and even philosophers for centuries. Crying is a universal human experience, yet its underlying mechanisms and purposes are still being explored. It's a natural human response, but the reasons are complex and fascinating. When we cry, our bodies are doing much more than just producing tears. There are different types of tears: basal, reflex, and emotional, and each serves a unique function. Tears, often associated with sadness, are actually our body's intricate way of responding to pain, both physical and emotional. Emotional tears in particular contain stress hormones and toxins which are expelled from the body when we cry, providing a form of relief. This seemingly simple act of shedding tears is deeply rooted in our biology, psychology, and even our social interactions. Crying can signal to others that we need help or comfort, fostering social bonds and empathy. It's a way for us to communicate our deepest emotions without saying a word. Join me as we delve into the science behind why we cry when we hurt. We'll explore the biological processes, the psychological theories, and the social implications of this fascinating human behavior. By understanding the mystery of tears, we can gain deeper insights into ourselves and our shared human experience. Imagine stubbing your toe. Ouch. Specialized sensory receptors in your skin, called nociceptors, are immediately activated. They act like tiny alarm bells, sending an electrical signal through your nerves to your brain. This signal travels up your spinal cord, reaching the thalamus, which acts like a relay station, directing the pain message to different parts of the brain. But pain is more than just a physical sensation. It's also deeply intertwined with our emotions. The signal from the thalamus is simultaneously relayed to the limbic system, the emotional center of our brain. Within the limbic system, the amygdala plays a crucial role. This small, almond-shaped structure processes emotions, particularly fear and sadness, linking them to memories and experiences. So why do we cry? When we experience pain, the amygdala triggers a cascade of responses in our body. One of these responses involves the activation of the autonomic nervous system, which controls involuntary bodily functions, including the production of tears. Crying, in a way, is our body's attempt to restore balance after experiencing a stressful event, like physical pain. It's a natural mechanism for coping with discomfort and seeking solace. Section 5, Tears, a social signal. Interestingly, crying isn't just a personal experience, it also serves a powerful social function. Tears are a universal language of distress, a way to communicate our need for comfort and support. When we cry in front of others, we're signaling vulnerability and seeking empathy. This social aspect of crying is thought to have played a crucial role in human evolution, fostering cooperation and caregiving within groups. Section 6, the science of tears, composition and types. Tears are a fascinating and essential part of our human experience. Tears themselves are more than just salty water. They are a complex and intricate fluid that serves multiple purposes. They are produced by the lacrimal glands, which are located just above each eye. These glands are responsible for the secretion of tears. Tears are actually a complex cocktail of water, electrolytes, proteins, and hormones. This unique composition helps in maintaining the health and function of our eyes. Interestingly, not all tears are created equal. Each type of tear has a distinct composition and function. We produce 3 types of tears: basal tears, reflex tears, and emotional tears. Each type serves a unique purpose in protecting and maintaining our eyes. Basal tears keep our eyes lubricated, ensuring that the surface of the eye remains smooth and clear. They are constantly produced to keep our eyes from drying out. Reflex tears protect our eyes from irritants like dust and onions. These tears are produced in response to external stimuli that may harm the eye. Emotional tears are triggered by strong emotions, including pain, joy, and sadness. These tears are believed to help in releasing stress and emotional tension, providing a form of relief. The act of crying and the production of tears is a complex and multifaceted process that plays a crucial role in our emotional and physical well-being. Understanding the composition and types of tears helps us appreciate the intricate ways our bodies respond to the world around us. So the next time you shed a tear, remember that it's not just a simple drop of water, but a remarkable fluid that serves many important functions. Section 7. The chemical cocktail of crying. The emotional tears we shed when we're in pain contain higher levels of stress hormones such as cortisol and ACH. This suggests that crying might actually help our bodies physically release stress and regulate our emotional state. In fact, some studies have found that crying can lead to a decrease in heart rate, breathing rate, and muscle tension, promoting relaxation. Section 8. The power of tears. A conclusion. Crying when we feel pain is a complex interplay of our nervous system, emotional centers, and even our social interactions. It's a multifaceted response that involves various parts of our brain and body working together. When we cry, it's not just a physical act, it's an emotional release that can have profound effects on our well-being. It's a testament to the intricate connection between our bodies and minds. Tears can convey what words often cannot. They speak a universal language of emotion, transcending cultural and linguistic barriers. Whether it's tears of joy, sorrow, or frustration, they all share a common thread of human experience. While the science of crying is still being unraveled, one thing is clear. The act of shedding tears is deeply rooted in our biology and psychology. Researchers continue to explore the various triggers and benefits of crying, from its role in stress relief to its impact on social bonding. Tears are not a sign of weakness, but a powerful expression of our humanity. They reveal our vulnerability and our strength. In moments of intense emotion, tears can be a way to process and release feelings that might otherwise remain bottled up inside. They are a source of relief, a call for connection, and a means of communication. When we cry, we often seek comfort from others, and in doing so, we strengthen our social bonds. Tears can bring people closer, fostering empathy and understanding, and a reminder that even in the face of pain, we are not alone. Our tears connect us to others, reminding us of our shared humanity. They are a powerful testament to the resilience of the human spirit and the enduring strength of our emotional connections.